Imagine a potential customer browsing your website late at night. They are curious, maybe even ready to buy, but no one is there to answer their questions. So they leave. And just like that, you've lost a lead. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today we'll explore how to build an automated lead generation chatbot to help your business stay responsive around the clock and turn interest into real sales opportunities. Let's get started. So what makes chatbots such a strong tool for lead generation? Well, it all comes down to how they support your potential customers at every step of their decision process. Still, let's look at the benefits they bring in more detail. First, 24/7 availability. Unlike your support team, chatbots never sleep. They answer questions, guide visitors, and capture contact details at night, on weekends, and during holidays. This constant presence helps you engage people exactly when they're interested the most. It's no surprise that over half of marketers already use chatbots for lead generation, and many see a noticeable increase in qualified leads. Second, personalized interactions at scale. Modern chatbots adapt to every visitor. They use natural language processing to understand what users need and respond accordingly. They collect data about preferences, location, and pain points, then use that information to deliver tailored recommendations. This keeps conversations relevant even when dozens of users interact at the same time. It's like having a sales representative for every single visitor. Third, faster lead qualification. Chatbots help you understand what a visitor is looking for from the very beginning. By asking a few simple targeted questions, they reveal who is ready to move forward and who is still exploring. This gives your sales team clearer priorities and lets them focus on conversations that truly matter. Fourth, consistent data collection. Because chatbots follow a set logic, they get the information the same way every time. Contact details, preferences, and responses go straight into your CRM system without extra formatting or cleanup. This consistency saves time and prevents small errors from creating bigger problems later. And finally, cost efficiency. A single chatbot can manage hundreds of conversations at once. That's the equivalent of an entire support team, but without overhead costs. While your chatbot handles FAQs and early-stage qualification, your team has more space to focus on complex, high-value tasks that need a human touch. The bottom line? Chatbots help you capture more leads, qualify them faster, and do it all without burning out your team. Now let's talk about building an effective lead generation chatbot. Here are 5 essential steps you need to follow. Step 1. Define your lead qualification goals. Start by clarifying what your chatbot needs to achieve. Most lead qualification bots focus on capturing contact details like name, email, and phone number. From there, they assess prospect needs like product preferences or specific pain points and determine budget, timeline, or decision-making authority. The goal is to gather the right information and route qualified leads to your sales team or schedule follow-ups automatically. Step 2. Craft your brand tone of voice. Think of your chatbot as an extension of your team. Use clear, friendly language that sounds natural, not automated. Match your existing brand voice, whether that's formal, relaxed, or somewhere in between, and keep it consistent. A natural voice makes the experience feel welcoming from the first message. Step 3. Design an irresistible welcome message. Your welcome message sets the tone for the entire conversation. Instead of a basic how can I help?, guide visitors towards something helpful. A short, friendly message that explains what the chatbot can do and how quickly gives people a reason to stay and engage. Step 4. Map out comprehensive scenarios. Before finalizing your chatbot, map out the conversation flow. Imagine what a visitor might say next. What concerns could come up? What information would help them move forward? Build clear paths for common questions and make sure there is a backup response when something doesn't match your script. Most importantly, include fallback messages and a seamless handoff to a human agent when needed. This balance keeps the experience efficient while maintaining trust. Step 5. Test everything before launch. Test your chatbot before launch. Check for typos, broken links, and dead ends. Make sure your chatbot doesn't get stuck or provide wrong information. A buggy chatbot is worse than no chatbot at all. Ready to build your own lead generation chatbot? With SendPulse, you can create chatbots for Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and other channels, all from one platform. No coding required. Our Visual Flow Builder lets you drag and drop elements to design your conversation paths. You can add messages, buttons, and quick replies, and even connect different channels for a seamless omnichannel experience. Here's how it works. Start by setting up triggers based on keywords or user actions. Then build your flow by adding conversational elements. Personalized messages with variables like username or previous interactions. Add conditions to segment users and route them down different paths based on their responses. And when everything is set, test your chatbot right in the platform before going live. The best part? You can integrate your chatbot with SendPulse's CRM system to automatically capture and organize lead information. Every conversation becomes actionable data for your sales team. Plus, SendPulse offers a generous free plan, so you can start generating leads with chatbots today without any upfront investment. You get 3 chatbots, access to the visual builder, and all the essential features to get you started. And there you have it! Automated lead generation chatbots give you the power to capture prospects 24/7, qualify them instantly, and deliver personalized experience at scale. It's like having a tireless sales team that never takes a break. Ready to stop losing leads while you sleep? Head over to SendPulse and create your first chatbot today. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more marketing automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.